permit on. That's a big one.
He's trying to run, but I think he's that big, Rick.
10 pound permit that. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Look how tender that is. Hartman Adventures at them, man. Yeah, man, from you hear the roar, you know what time again, you know. Know what time again from you hear the roar like that. Yeah, man, we out here do some permit fishing today again. Well, let me first greet you guys. Good morning. Welcome back to Hartman Adventures. My name is Dre, and we're out here again do some permit fishing, as you can see. See a roll away and look away, eh? So yeah, man, we are look some permit to them. Just stop, search for some crab. Only find one crab in all of my search, so I'm gonna find some alternative bait today. But yeah, man, we just reach out here, so me, Jamaica shore fishing, and big wall beer. So it's a nice collab I go on today. Yeah, man, just stick around, stay tuned, and just watch what I go on with the action today. Yeah, man, 3 away I link up today. I come hunt some permits, so just stay around and see what I go on. A question that I get very often from you guys is, how do I normally pin on the blue crab? Alright, so this morning I'm going to show you guys how I normally pin on the blue crab. As you can see, it's a full live blue crab. This one is about a little bit bigger than medium size. So, kind of crushing claw them a little bit. But other than him claw them, don't damage the crab any at all. So, the crab has these 2 points out here, right? You see this point right here and this point right here? That's where I try to go through the crab with the hook. So I normally pour it from underneath, like just right here. I normally try to pin them from just about here. I try not to go through the body of the crab, because that will make the crab die faster. So just a small pin. The shell is a little bit tough, so you kind of have to drill it through with the hook. Kind of have to drill it through with the hook. Alright, and that is how I normally put on the crab. So as you see it, the hook didn't penetrate through the meat of the crab much. It's really the shell that I'm hooking, and this way the crab stay alive for as long as possible, and I'm out there and very active permit to try pick him up that way. So that's how I normally pin on the crab them. Alright guys, very early action start already. Big wall beer. Yo, take off the bell, bro, take off the bell. Yo, take off the bell, take off the bell. Your hook set already, your hook set already. Your hook set already, your hook set already. Carry him down the line, man. No, not the couple line. Carry him down the line.
I ain't even set yet, bro.
I'm just setting up my other rod, bro. Nice permit, my boy. Nice permit. Very nice permit.
Well, here got big permit on already. Yeah.
I'm gonna get the girl. Pound that, you know. 10 pound permit that, you know. 10 pound permit that. 10 pound permit that. Early, as you set.
You broke your neck.
Oh Very nice permit. Watch out, you hook cut, watch your hook cut. You hook cut, yes, you hook cut, that's good. Look at him, guys. Very nice permit. That's a 10-pound permit already. Avil first set. Watch your hook cut off. Yeah, you need time on good, man. You need time on good. What I mean? You couldn't can one 30-pound on that, man. Right, guys, so action start already, you know. Big wall beer hook up on him first one. That permit is probably about 10 pounds. Alright, so basically what I'm doing now is I'm tying a snail knot. This is a snail knot that I'm tying. I'm probably gonna have to tie it another time for you guys. Tie it a bit slower so that you guys can see exactly how I tie it. But yeah, I'm using a snail knot for this setup. And this rod, the other rod that I'll be using. Permit weight 10 point something pound, 10 pounds and a little bit. So I was right on the money when we estimate 10 pounds. So yeah man, the action start already, so I see if I can get my other line set up and get it out in the water. Because they look like they're there today and them are feed. Yes guys, Jamaica shore fishing.
Take this over, take this over, take this over.
See man, you swim come in to rock it.
You come in?
It's in there, so. You know that big, you know. You take time, man, you hit the line,
Why not now? You're good,
You come in, man. Nice little one, my boy. Yeah.
Nice little one too.
Nice one, my boy. Nice little one. I want that sweet feet, you know.
Scared the hell out of me a while ago, yo.
Yeah.
I grab the line and pull me off a wall.
Eh.
I frighten you for it.
Okay, I'm there, I rig up my rod because my throat and my sinker pop off.
You realize that's what I want.
Yeah, there I tie one next setup. Nice one, man. Like school we are pass again, you know, you have to look out for them. Yeah man, some of you might be wondering how comes I take so long to reply to some of your comments. But sometimes I deliberately do that because when I reply when I'm out here, I get more time to process exactly what you guys are saying to me. And in a case where you guys ask me a question, I can probably record my response or do something just like when I recorded up in on the crab this morning. Yeah, it's a little bit easier for me to do it that time. So yeah, that's why I don't reply immediately to some of your comments. So don't kill me in the comment section, guys. I'm not ignoring you guys. I will always reply to all of my comments. But sometimes I deliberately leave it until I come out so that when I'm out here and I see your questions and stuff like that, it's easier for me to film my response, showing you exactly how I do what I do when you ask me. Yes guys, Jamaica shore fishing.
Take this over, take this over, take this over.
See man, you swim come in to rock it.
You come in?
It's in there, so. You know that big, you know. You take time, man, you hit the line,
Why not now? You're good,
You come in, man. Nice little one, my boy. Yeah.
Nice little one too.
Nice one, my boy. Nice little one. I want that sweet feet, you know.
Scared the hell out of me a while ago, yo.
Yeah.
I grab the line and pull me off a wall.
Eh.
I frighten you for it.
Yeah man, just a quick update guys. I haven't gotten any runs as yet, but Jerry catch a nice little one, probably about 2-3 pounds. And you know, I already know say Big Wall Beer did catch a nice 10-pound one this morning. Still there wait for my first run. I get no run yet, but yeah, some permit fishing stay there. You have to just go and be very patient and wait for them. So still there wait for them. One bun little time and sitting on the phone and really try to reply to some of the comments and things. So yeah, there and go and wait same way, man. Yeah, man, Jamaica shore fishing on again. Take off your belt, take off your belt. Yeah, man. I can't run, man. I can't run.
He's trying to run, but I don't think he's that big, Ray. You don't feel that big.
Alright, we don't need no gaff then, man.
No, I don't think he's that big. My camera on, Ray? You smell like you?
Can't see that. Nah.
Touch the screen.
Nah, you're not rolling, bro.
No, touch it. Fish on.
Oh, hold on. You definitely need a gaff card. You go cross the line. Alright, guys, we're going to try to gaff him. Where there? Oh, see him there. Where there? Nice one, you know. Where there? Lie out there. Lie out there. A tree line wrap on this one, you know. Yeah. So Jerry just get a nice permit, probably about 10-12 pound or so. Carry me in, come all the way in right in for the rock them, but the line did go cross one of the other line. And it start rub on the other line. So once him come in, the fish take off again, it just cut off. Alright guys, see him there, you know. You can see so we're up on here already, you know. You see it, it's a pick off already.
Yeah.
Check this out, guys, check this out. Look how tender that is. Look at that. Woo! And you know, every time I cook permit, I always have a beer I go and knock off same way, so. Yes man. Body you fetch. Guys, now watch here. Watch it. Oh, I'm telling you, this is not the first side. This is the second side. You taste the fish yet, well, taste it. You get done it. They may do ya. They may do ya.
We're rolling hot today.
They may do ya, watch. You see another they may tell. It's two of them shell out the fish.
Yes.
And a couple of them bridging stop a while ago and shell out some right.
Stop, I'm seeing man jump out like ninja.
Just bail out that car. People just bail out. How much are they? About 6? I don't know how much man hold in a one car.
But for them jump out.
Just jump out and run in for the fish and run back in a car and gone.
I have no idea where they went. At somewhere close by bushes. Where is it? Nearby bushes?
Nearby bushes.
That is it.
Beautiful guys, trust me, absolute. Yeah, season to the bone. Absolutely delicious.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, man, what I have seen me. Yeah, man, I'm going to come back. So yeah, man, just before we get the run a while ago, we talk to Maki and Cabo and seafood and drinks. So yeah, man, big up on yourself, Maki and Cabo. Big up yourself, seafood and drinks, guys. Go over there and check them out. Subscribe. Hey, Nicky, Jerry, I eat the jack. And I mean, tell us I eat jack, but he might eat jack.
Nicky.
Me I eat permit, a permit me I eat.
What to eat, Nicky? Oh, you get my baby now.
Sorry, Nicky. Sorry. I know my fault. But yeah, man, seafood and drinks, if you want experience some of them, I have to come over food, you see me? It on. See him there? Permit on. That's a big one. That's a big one, bro. Get my gaff. See the gaff right beside you. It's right beside you. That's a big one, innit? Watch him, him big, innit? Don't go in the water yet. That's a big one, bro. Don't go in the water. He's not tired, he don't go in the water. Don't go in the water.
Ah, man! Rely on your line because they're coming now.
I know so them all bite for evening, you know, bro. Our biggest one, look how fish splash.
You see it, man, alright? That's what I'm saying.
I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna say, yo, don't go in the water, come in.
Yo, me there now. I see me still alive.
It deep. Our biggest one that's today, bro.
Yo, today's video is gonna be action.
Oh man, that's the biggest one.
Action-packed video, bro.
50-pound line that snap. Yo, look how long it bust like a nothing, brother. I'm a drag never tight. Drag not tight, you know.
I will. I'll see that today, no. Hartman Adventures.
Oh man. Oh man, I was so patient for today, bro. I was so patient. Yeah, bro, I was so patient. I've been patient all day, bro. I'm my first run that, you know. My first bite, and good, the biggest one that. Yeah.
Sorry, bro.
Yeah, bro, we'll get them. Yeah, man, we'll get them, man. We'll get them. Alright, guys, so you guys just saw that. So what happened is we've been here from 6 o'clock. Me one here, Jamaica shore fishing. And it's now some minutes after 3. And this is my very first bite for the day. And that fish that just took up my line was so big. I was using a 50-pound leader, just the same size as the 30-pound fish when we catch the other day, and the fish just snapped my line like nothing. Like nothing, bro. Yeah, man, people. I had to run, you know. Got a little emergency call a while ago, so I had to run. But yeah, I left Jerry and Big Wall Beer down there still. They're still down there fishing CMA. Little bit of bite go on for the evening. So they are still down there. And I'm heading home right now. Sorry I didn't get to wrap up the video with them, but it was an awesome day out with them. Whole heap of fun, whole heap of... Actually got to meet a couple of subscribers today as well. So yeah, try head home. Actually I want intersection now, so I have to watch the road both sides. So I'm not going to keep this too long. So thanks again for tuning in and catch you in the next adventure. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.